Happy New Year! January 2021 is a 5-Friday month, and we have a wide variety of wonderful projects for you to get stuck into. This strip piece Bargello cushion is a delightful small project which uses a jelly roll and is great for beginners. It's been inspired by a project in our Book of the Month from Karen Hellaby, and Valerie Nesbitt guides you through the simple how-to. Valerie also brings us this fun Worms children's quilt and a workshop on star sashing for your patchwork. Nancy Adamek, our Queen of English paper piecing, shows us the secrets of corner catching with these tiny hexagons and diamonds, saving you time as there is no tacking to take out later. Textile artist Kate Findlay brings us these stunning wild garden designs. Jennie Rayment shows us how to create this traditional double wedding ring design with modern acrylic templates. And Dawn Cameron Dick is back with this stunning magma strip pieced patchwork project. And our crochet expert, Jane Czaja, continues her basics series with the half treble crochet stitch, and then later in the month, the treble crochet stitch. Our Technique Thursday this month is from Gail Penberthy, showing us how to insert a zip quickly and easily. And Jane Rimell of the Bramble Patch has a very comprehensive demonstration on double binding your quilt with mitered corners and joins, which will give your work a very professional finish. New videos are released on Justhands-on.tv every Friday. Become a paid subscriber to enjoy unlimited access to all our online classes by Britain's finest tutors to help you with your projects from as little as £5 a month.